All right, YouTube, 106 Fall Cutter, back with another freaking exciting video. Minka Aire ceiling fan, 65-inch, heirloom, barn, whatever, brand freaking new. Had about 3 weeks. About a week and a half after we had it, the fan stopped fanning. No longer fans. The light works, but the fan doesn't work. I called up Minka Aire, their tech support. They sent me a new receiver. Just got it today. No instructions. So let's pull this bitch apart and see how easy this is going to be to fix there. See ya, bitches. Okay, so got the power off at the wall, and I know that's a good line because I ran that, so that's killing the juice there. Gotta take the globe off. I'll tell you, this thing here, this LED light on here, this son of a bitch lights up. I mean, it's like looking at the sun when this thing comes on. All right, so got the globe down. I gotta get the light assembly out, so I gotta go get my damn screwdriver in a second. Okay, so I'm gonna take the light assembly out, which is taking out the one screw here, whoop, and then loosening up 2 more. I should probably get a ladder up here. So it should be good. Then twist that out. Bam. Now I gotta disconnect that. Take this plate off here. Shit, you know what? I hope I don't have to take the whole freaking motor out. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. I'm going to take this screw out here and then loosen these 2 up and take the upper plate out. I'll be back. Okay, so I got the that plate out there. So now I gotta take the fan blades down. Gotta take them down, and shit, it's looking like I might have to take this whole thing apart. So, well, we'll see. Let me get the fan blades down. I'll be back. Well, looks like I'm gonna take it all the way down. So, because I'm not gonna be able to get up in behind all this crap with it hanging up there. So. Alright, I'll pull the bitch down. See ya. Okay, so I got the fan down. I was hoping I could do it while it was up. So now I'm gonna drop the ball here, get the pin out, get this crap off, get everything else off. I'd already I'd cut the down rod down because it comes stock with 10-inch. I cut it down to 6-inch. So I've already had it down once. Don't really feel like doing it this time, but oh well. Whatever. I got freaking ceiling fans here that are, I got one ceiling fan in this house that's like fucking 40 years old, man. And it runs like clockwork, no problem. This brand new. Here I am taking it apart to fix it. So, oh well, what are you gonna do? All right, so what it's looking like that receiver's right at the very freaking top. So I'm gonna have to get everything out from the bottom here. So as soon as I figure that out, I'll be back. All right, YouTube. So it looks like the fan here, where your down rod screws in there, you gotta loosen the two set screws. Take your down rod out. Well, the two set screws have to come out all the way. Take them out all the way. Then take your pin out. Take the 6 screws that go around here. Take these off, and then this piece here will lift up. You can see how it has this big cutout to go over the wires here, and then there's a slot cut out on each side, so it can only go back in one way. Take that out, and then the motor shroud will lift off. So that's off. Now here's the receiver. So it looks like I should just be able to unplug it. Where's the new one at? Here's the new one. So this is gonna go on like this. So I should be able to just take these two, this screw and this screw out, and slide that off. Let's see. Let's try doing that. Alright. Oh, pain in the ass. I don't feel like doing this. Alright, so when I get that off, the new one here, I gotta disconnect this. And this, and this. Oh, I gotta disconnect all of them. Oh, that one's freaking, look at that. They got freaking hot glue on that son of a bitch. Damn. So I gotta clean that off so I can get that connection apart. I'll be back. Okay, so I got all the connections apart. Really easy, but now right here, this little bundle, I'm gonna have to cut this zip tie here because part of the wires go up in through the wiring harness, going up to the up here. The receiver antenna that goes up through this piece of sleeve here, that comes down, and you could take it apart right here, because see the new one's the same way, has that connection there. But I'm gonna see if I can feed this new antenna up through there and just put the whole new thing in there. So let me cut this. All right. Got that zip tie cut. I'm going to find another zip tie. I got the 2 screws out. Well, loosened up. So now let me see if I can get this thing back out of here. Oh, I have gotta take this ground out right here. grounds out there. Alright, so that's out, except for the antenna. So I don't know if I want to fucking try running that new antenna. No, I'm gonna disconnect that antenna. Just a second here. All right, it disconnected the antenna. So now this should just... All right, so there's the old one. The old receiver. Date code August 2021. New receiver, date code May of 2022. All right, so let me slide that back over there and get it hooked up, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, just real quick, when you go to put this back on, there's only one way you can go. You see this little, whatever, rectangular thingy-majiggity here. That goes right into this hole here. So there's only one way this can go on. So it goes across and that sets down into there. So I'll be back in a second. All right, YouTube. So I got the new receiver in. Wasn't that hard? I was gonna fire up the glue gun and stick some hot glue back on here, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I did disconnect the new antenna, and I just plugged in the old antenna there. Now, it's an easy job, and I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining because I spent fucking $600 on a ceiling fan and it lasted a fucking week and a half before it fucking broke. You know, and I had to tear it all down, put this shit in here because of no freaking instructions. But, you know, hey, I'm grateful. So, let me throw this piece back on over the top, get everything else hooked up the way it needs to be, and we'll see if she fires up. Back in a second. Okay, so yeah, I'm just getting fucking happier as I go along here. I'm trying to put the light kit back up there because I want to get the light kit up there, reset the remote, make sure it's going to work before I put everything back up there. So I got to put the fucking light kit on there, and our connection here, the white on here is pulled right out of the... So look at that shit. Look, the fucking pin is still in there. Son of a bitch, man. $600 fucking dollars in this piece of shit. So let me try to get that in there. If not, I'm gonna clip them and fucking wire none of them together or some shit. So I'll be back. All right, so I got that kind of stuffed in there, the freaking neutral wire. So let's turn this on, see if we get any fucking joy out of this stupid thing. God. So you gotta press and hold the remote for 10 seconds. Light's supposed to blink twice. So I'm gonna press and hold. You're not gonna see me do that. All right, well, the fan moved, so the light did not do anything. So I turned the fan on 1. It's trying to move. Yeah, I don't know. Turn it to 3. See what happens here. Ooh, boy. That don't look good. I'll be back. Fuck. All right, YouTube, so it's up and running now. Freaking pain in the ass. The fan itself, once I got all the blades on there, it was like junk, not wanting to go. So I had to spin it by hand, and then it took off. So now it's going backwards. It's on winter mode. The light, I was able to get that working, but the connectors pulled out from the connector there. So I'll tell you, for a $600 fan, it's made like shit. But I'll show you the light here. Light comes on as bright as hell. Fan's working, so all's good. So that's how you replace that receiver in this freaking hunk of shit. See ya, bitches.